Okay, fellas, check it out. We got rained in this weekend. The field is all soaking wet out there, so we're not going to do anything too fancy here. While being stuck in the house this weekend, I decided to do a tire swap. These are the tires from the ZD Racing Pirates 3, and I took the shredder tires and put on the ZD Racing. So we're going to swap them out, see how this one runs. Remember, the shredder tires came from the factory way out of balance. The car wobbles a lot. I hadn't gotten around to buying new tires for the shredder, but this could be the answer, guys. I want to see how these ZD Racing tires run on a shredder, and actually the ZD Racing tires are a little bigger than the original stock shredder tires. With the bigger tires, that should give us more rotation in the wheel, making the shredder a little bit faster. But I'm on the side of the park with the short parking lot. Yeah, like I said, the shredder would wobble, especially not wobble. She would bounce up and down. The tires, it was like the foam inserts were not inserted properly. That's pretty smooth. That's going to make my FPV camera look a lot better. Whoa, that was water in that ditch. That was a nice jump, though. Now we got to dry her off. If it sounds louder now or winding more, I'm now running all metal spur and pinion gears in this car, guys. So this is sort of a test. My plastic spur gear got shredded. Yeah, she makes a lot of noise now. She's running good though. The old shredder. These tires are helping her out with her cornering. Remember, I used to complain about how much she dipped when turning. So yeah, guys, wow, that was an ant bed. Those bigger old fat monster tires on the Pirates 3 fits right on here. It was a simple tire swap out. And these are cheap. Like I said, she's not the fastest thing in my collection. But wow, I got no more wobble, shakes, or bounce going on here, guys. I'm liking this. Let's go ahead and check out the Pirates and see how bad of a downgrade we did with the shredder tires. Those tires absolutely sucked from the factory, guys. Here you can see my Pirates 2. My bad. The Pirates 3 is pretty clean, so we're not gonna do anything too fancy here, guys. I want to see. Yep, I can see it already. Let's see if we could get a close-up shot of it. This is a slow roll. Not so visible there. Oh! Look like a damn blender. I don't think I'm gonna run this truck with this tire setup, guys. My little hat cam's not capturing the real funny stuff. She's just wobbling all over the place. Yeah, so Herb Flying High might appreciate this, man. Yeah, when you get your shredder, man, order you some tires at the same time. See, I'm afraid of these tires on this vehicle because the ZD Racing products aren't really assembled that well, and with all that shaking going on, she's bound to shake something loose. But most of all, guys, the smaller tires, whoa, the smaller tires slowed it down. Even on 3S, this thing would wheelie at any given moment. I wanted to do some off-road tests with these tires on this truck. What I'm gonna do is go and try to order some replacement tires from ZD Racing. This truck ran really good on his first couple of test runs, and those tires do really well on the shredder, so it's a win-win for me. All right, guys, I think that's enough of this. Like I said, I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. The ZD Pirates 3 tires worked great on the shredder. The shredder tires didn't work so great on the Pirates. But we knew that already, though, right? When the shredder came from the factory, I could feel that like the foam inserts were heavier on one side, or has a lump in them or something. Almost felt like the foam has been oil soaked, and from the tire sitting up, all the oil is heavy on one side, no oil on the other side. I'm not sure, that was just a personal theory of mine, and that's how they felt coming from the factory, and that's how they still feel running on this car, guys. I think this is a pretty good upgrade for the shredder. The bigger tires, smoother run, and I can't wait to get it off road, guys. Y'all stick around for more RC fun. It's your boy DJ Soul Force. Pow! I'm out of here.